You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. There are 1,000 ways to understand your body and soul. Listen to these quotes by Rumi and open up your mind to understand yourself better. It's your road and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Whether one moves slowly or with speed, the one who is a seeker will be a finder. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your myth. The prophets accept all agony and trust it, for the water has never feared the fire. As you start to walk on the way appears. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. Silence is the language of God. All else is poor translation. Sit, be still, and listen. The heart has its own language. The heart knows 100,000 ways to speak. I know you're tired, but come. This is the way. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. You are not meant for crawling, so don't. You have wings. Learn to use them and fly. Patience is the key to joy. Be an empty page, untouched by words. The world is a mountain in which your words are echoed back to you. Be empty of worrying. Think of who created thought. Wherever you stand, be the soul of that place. When the world pushes you to your knees, you're in the perfect position to pray. Love is the bridge between you and everything. If the light is in your heart, you will find your way home. Be soulful. Be kind. Be in love. The only lasting beauty is the beauty of the heart. Gratitude is the wine for the soul. Go on, get drunk. All your anxiety is because of your desire for harmony. Seek disharmony, then you will gain peace. What is planted in each person's soul will sprout. Be full of sorrow, that you may become a hill of joy. Weep, that you may break into laughter. Let go of your mind, and then be mindful. Close your ears and listen. Anyone who genuinely and consistently with both hands looks for something will find it. Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. You're not your hair. You're not your skin. You're the soul that lives within.